So my name is Manuel Rojas. I'm from the States. I've been living there for the past 50 years. So I'm 27 years old. I had a beard. It wasn't, I had patches pretty much everywhere. So I just wanted to connect my beard. I wanted to have a full, density beard. So that's what I wanted to get it done. It was difficult, to be honest. Why? Because I was having a lot of pain first in my head and then my beard, so my face was swollen, everywhere. It was a little challenge. The most that hurt, it was the anesthesia, because you be getting it pretty much, your head, your beard. So the most that it hurt was my beard. Right now, my pain level, it's about a 4, but most of them is just in my beard. Right now, I still feel numb from the anesthesia, so my pain level is about like 2 out of 10, pretty much. The operation was good. I slept for about like 2 hours. At the beginning, when they put the anesthesia, I had like a little panic attack. The doctors coming down, they were saying that, hey, you just gotta relax, it's normal. So after that, I just basically calmed myself down and we just went from there. But besides that, everything, the whole process was fantastic. It only hurt the anesthesia. After that, it didn't hurt anything else. Yeah, so I talked to my family, my friends. They were saying, man, you're crazy, you still have hair, just wait longer. But I just wanted to make the choice right now, because I didn't want to wait until I lose more hair. So I decided to, I think right now is the best time, since I'm almost in my mid-20s. So I didn't want to lose more hair and just go ahead and make the right choice by getting a hair transplant. It was great. It was fantastic, to be honest. I did a lot of research. I chose I talked to 3 different clinics, and then Smile Hair Clinic was the best one that made me feel more comfortable going through here. I just decided, once I talked to a gentleman, he just gave me the confidence to come here and getting this done, which is the right clinic. Which I think I believe I did the right decision. Just do it. It hurts a little bit, but after that, it's just that you're gonna feel. I feel like you just gotta trust the process. Whatever you wanna get, like if you wanna get a beard, hair, anything that you want to get, you're gonna get it, but it takes some time. So for me, I feel happy with with everything what they did. They did the line, my beard, my hair, my head. So I feel excited that I cannot wait for my results. So people, if you want to come to Smile Hair Clinic, this is the right clinic for you guys. Follow the True Transformation